Before we start scraping this website, let's test our code with the shell command. So first, we're going to inspect this website. So we right click on the title and click on inspect. So as you can see in the HTML of this website, this title is inside this h1 tag. So we can locate this by pressing Ctrl F or Command F on Mac, and then we can find any element by writing the XPath. So if we want to find this h1, we just write h1, but first we write double forward slash, and then the element highlighted in green is the element we want. So we just verify that this double slash h1 is the XPath of the title we want. Now let's go back to the terminal to test some code, and I'm going to clean this app. And now let's write the command Scrapy shell. Then you'll get the 3 arrows that indicates that we are in shell mode. So now we can test our code. So let's start by making a request. Just write r equal to Scrapy that request, and then open parentheses. And inside write URL and equal to the URL we just copied before. So I'm going to copy again this worldometers URL, and now I'm going to paste it. Now I press enter and I can fetch this. So I write fetch parentheses r. Now with this we open the spider and we see the results of this request. Now we can see also the HTML of this website. We just have to write response.body. Here I made a typo, so I have to modify it and write response.body, and now we get the HTML of this website. So it's not in a readable format, but it's just a way to get it. Now we can get also the specific element we want. So we can write response.xpath, and inside we can write the XPath expression we just saw before. So double slash h1, and we get the element that contains the title, which is countries in the world by population. So now if we want to get only the text and not the whole element or node, we have to write response.xpath, and inside the expression we have to add the text. So we write slash and text with parentheses. Now as you can see, we just got the text element, but we still have the data value. So if we want just to get the plain text, you have to add that get and parentheses. So now I press enter and I just got the text that is the title without anything else. Now let's say we want to get the country names from the list. As you can see, the country names is inside a tag whose parent is a td tag. So to locate it, we just write double slash td and then slash a. So now back to the terminal, we're going to write that XPath expression. So we write response.xpath, and now we delete the expression we wrote before and write the expression we just built. So it's td slash a slash text to get the text, and in this case, since we have a lot of elements, we have to write get all with parentheses. Now we press enter and we get all the countries listed in the website. So that's it. Every time you want to test some code, use the shell command. In the next video, we're going to build our first spider using Scrapy.